Forget element 115. Could upstate New York's public records hold the secret of antigravity that could make your Graviflyer fly?
I added the real element 115 and my Graviflyer finally works!
They said the early development of real anti-gravity began in a barn on the side of a mountain. And at the center of that story was the real element 115. In 1974, around Dutchess County Airport, the rumors were already being told by aerospace employees. This region was the heart of America's greatest companies in electricity, magnetism, high voltage, and capacitors. Some of the people who worked for these companies kept their private planes at the old Dutchess County Airport, and sometimes they'd say things like, "We make sci-fi real."
You bet we do.
In 1974, while America was distracted by oil shortages, Watergate, and chaos on the evening news, something very strange was hiding in plain sight. Above element 115 sits bismuth, and the ferrite crystal, bismuth ferrite, is the key to anti-gravity, but not the way Bob Lazar said.
Based on the stories told, this illustration shows an ultrasonic emitter array and a bismuth ferrite crystal in a viscous liquid. You can also see circular bloom line coils around the bottom of this container.
Inside that barn, they said the secret was resonance, transducers, bismuth ferrite, the real element 115, and a bloom line device working together.
As the stories go, many people had said they seen it flying north of the airport.
This is the Graviflyer, created by Russian inventor Alexey Chekurkov, and yes, it flies. What makes it fascinating is how strikingly close it appears to the antigravity engine design described from 1974. To get it to fly, Alexey spent hours trying to achieve resonance. The Graviflyer has an ultrasonic transducer, and if he adds bismuth ferrite, then he could achieve resonance in seconds.
I will publish the source code for my zero training AI to control the tuning of the Graviflyer. A bloomline device is not required for antigravity, but it can dramatically lower the voltage needed to achieve resonance.
Resonance equals flight. That's the breakthrough. We need bismuth ferrite, high magnetostriction, and piezoelectric coupling. Here, the levitation effect at resonance. Almost there.